Take your favorite coffee paper bags and stickers. Turn them into highly playable magnetic refrigerator stickers. The important tool to use is self-adhesive flexible magnet sheets. Good flexibility, can be bent freely. One side is magnetic, allowing easy adsorption. The other side has high-quality adhesive with strong stickiness. Cut out your favorite stickers. Paste them on the adhesive side of the flexible magnet sheet. Cut out the required part according to the shape. Now our refrigerator sticker is finished. The magnetic force is long-lasting and stable. Arbitrary cutting does not affect the magnetism. Suitable for creative DIY, refrigerator stickers, advertising stickers, etc. High-quality flexible magnet sheets can be customized in size.